Hey everybody out there in the YouTube world, it's your boy Dusty Diesel Technician, man. Back with another fun video today. I'm gonna show y'all this mail truck just came in. They gotta get another frame put on it, a new frame.